Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to start a little series on my carvings. I know over the years I've been telling people I carve and I want to show them to them and they've been asking for it, and I'm sorry it took so long. Especially you, Susie. I know you kept asking to see them. And Todd, I know you've been asking to see them, and I know a lot of our friends do a lot of carving, and Mitchell from Guns, Knives, and Beer makes these awesome little bears, and Rock of Ages does some serious chainsaw carvings, and here was my humble beginnings in carving. I found a piece of driftwood, and when you carve things, you kind of see something in it, and you bring it out. More than you actually get a piece of wood and say, I'm going to make this out of it. I don't know if that makes sense, but when you carve, that's kind of how, well, at least that's how my brain works. So this was the first thing I ever really carved, besides like, wooden projects, but actually like an art form. And I just thought it looked to me like there was a crane, I guess you want to call it, in there. And this is just a little piece of lead that I had molded quick to mount it on. So it's, it sits up like this. But this was the first one, and I enjoyed doing it so much that I made this little duck. And this is made out of driftwood also. I don't know what kind of wood it is, but again, when I carve something, I have an idea in my head that I see in there, like I just said, and it comes out the way it comes out. Now, is this a specific duck? Nah, I have no idea. Maybe a pintail. It's kind of what I guess I was going for. And the base is all carved out to look like a kind of a dead tree stump. But this was my second one, and I love this one. Then I made this one. And again, the bird itself, not really sure what kind of bird it is. Swallow or something maybe. But again, I'm just kind of, getting into it and making what I saw in there. Now this is made out of pine. So these are the first three that I made. And then as you'll see as we go on, I kind of got a little bit more adventurous and started making some bigger ones and adding eyes and stuff like that. So I never was one for a lot of detail as far as like feathers and all of that, but I get a little bit more fancy as it goes on. So this will be the first in a series of my carvings, and hopefully you enjoyed watching them. And again, like I always say, I hope that you have a great day, and I really appreciate all of your comments and your views, and we'll see you on the next one.